Hi everyone. I'm here today to talk about the lab on trees. Essentially, what we are doing this week is creating a system that allows us to easily create and play a type of adventure game. This type of adventure game presents the user with a story or scenario and asks the user to make a choice about it. The choices that a user makes changes what happens next in the adventure, with some options causing the story to end and others opening up new paths. You might be thinking, couldn't this just be done with a bunch of if statements? And the answer is, only kind of. Once your game gets complicated, it can become overwhelming and tedious to encode all of that logic into your game. What we want is a system that will allow us to easily load in any size adventure we have written, and a system that plays those games without needing to be changed for any game, kind of like a game console. The first step is optional, which is writing your own game story. You will have the ability to create your own games, but if you don't want to do that, one will be provided for you. Essentially, this involves mapping out a game tree and putting each story point into a numbered file. The next step is taking a look at the game you want to use and writing a configuration file to load that game tree. Essentially, we want to make a tree that connects the numbers in the proper fashion. We are then going to need to write an interpreter that can read the config file and create an int binary tree in the actual program. Finally, we need to write our game console, which is going to use the game tree to open and read the story files at the correct times, as well as ask the user for what inputs they want to make. This system will allow us to easily create infinitely many adventure games of this type, while only needing to write new story files and one config file per game. I hope you have a lot of fun writing, designing, and playing your games on your new adventure console. Thanks for watching.